Here is exactly what I did to build an income stream that pays up to millions in no time. Like one strategy, 4 income streams. It worked for me and every other person I have taught this. I actually made more than 1 million in less than 24 hours. Even if you have zero skills, this will work for you. See, if you do exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video and it doesn't work for you, wait for me at the junction. Beat shake it out of my body. I will not call the police for a lie. Don't worry, it's not going to happen, because if you do step by step what I'm about to show you now, you will be raking in the income in no time. Welcome to the channel where we talk real money, investment, side hustle, passive income. If that's the kind of content you like, hit the subscribe button, because you're at the right place. I'm financial Jennifer, an investment banker, chartered stockbroker, and someone that earns money consistently from passive income. First, I'm going to speak to that person that has no skill or feels like they don't have any skill. You know, many of us, we do know something, but we kind of underestimate it. We see it as just basic, it's just there. Because it comes easy for us, we feel like it's like that for anyone. No, my sister, that could be your next source of income waiting to happen. If you currently have no skill, you have to learn one. But wait, I know most people will first of all go and learn, then they come back and start thinking and strategizing on how to monetize. You're not gonna do that here. Time is money. With the strategy I'm teaching you, as you are learning, my sister, you are earning. How? Just follow me. But please, what I'm going to ask for you, if you don't like this video, just hit the like button right away. Trust me, I promise you, you are going to like what I'm going to teach you, just like in advance. Let's move on. First step to this formula is to decide a skill you want to specialize on. Don't worry, even if you don't know what skill to do, I got you. So there are 2 ways you can find out the skill that matches you, the skill you can make money from. Number 1 is to take a quiz. So there are websites like ProProf. You can take a quiz to find out what skills fit you better based on what you know already, or based on what you think you want to do. It will show you, take the quiz, and then it will show you an answer to some suggested skills you can pick up. There are so many websites like that. The second way to find out what skill you should be learning, find out from proven ways. Just do a basic Google search, top in demand skills, highest paying skills, something like that. It's going to give you a list. Look through, find the one that resonates better with you and pick one, because like I said, in this formula you need a skill. Next is to learn this class. How? Even if you don't have money, you can take free courses online. There is Udemy, there is Coursera, which is well detailed. Yes, Coursera could be a bit pricey, but you can apply for grants. I think I've gotten grants like what do they call it, financial aid, like 2 times on Coursera to take courses. Udemy have classes for as little as 3,000 naira or less than. Even on this YouTube University, you can learn a lot from YouTube. And that is when you start setting the trap for the big money as you are learning. Carry us along, my dear. Carry us along through your learning process. Share your learning moments. Tell us what you are learning. Talk to us. Teach us what you learn each day. Like, talk to us from a place of knowing. I know you are just beginning, but to us, you don't know anything about your field. So whatever you say, we are hanging on to it. Like, talk to us, hit us. You don't feel free to tell us, okay, you're just starting this. You just want to show us the process. You just want to like learn with us, or how do they say, build with me in public, something like that. But choose a platform you want to share more on. It can be LinkedIn, it can be Instagram, it can even be on YouTube. 4 things will happen once you start doing this. First, we begin to associate you with that topic, okay? When something like that comes in, we're already thinking of you. If there is a news that breaks out, we are thinking of you to come and tell us what is going on. Number 2, we begin to see you as an expert, because the more you talk about something, you know, we feel like, this person knows what they are doing. And we know you're actually taking courses, you're taking programs, you're writing exams on that field. We begin to see you as experts in that field. Number 3, we begin to recommend you for opportunities. Do you know how many opportunities people have sent to me when they see something in finance, because they know I talk about it a lot, they feel I am an expert in that field. So when opportunities come up, you see people tagging you. And number 4, we begin to give you our money. Let's talk about the money part, because at this point now, we feel you know this thing, we feel you are the experts based on what you've been sharing for us, and we are happy to give you our money. There are different ways, like I said, 4 different income sources you can make from this. Number 1 way you can monetize this is through content creation. From all the knowledge you've been sharing, you're already creating content on this now, so you can create content for yourself. You can also create content for brands. I think in my previous video, I've did one of my passive income video. I'm going to find it and link it on the caption. I describe how you can make money from content creation. Number 2, thought leadership. before you know it, speaking engagements will be coming from all over. They are rushing you. It's not free now. You see people booking all expense trip for you to come to their site and teach. No, we are not asking you whether you have a degree or whether you have a certification or something in that field, because we already know you are a thought leader in that field. I know so many people, maybe in finance, they didn't study finance, they didn't have any certification in finance, but because they have learned and they are learning and they constantly talk about it. When I started talking about finance, I was just okay, I was already a chartered accountant, but all this investment banking, chartered stockbroker, licensed dealer, I was not that already. But people were already inviting me. I was spoken like in different states outside Nigeria just because of this. Number 3 way you can make money from this is through influencing. Whether you like it or not, once brands see that you have the audience, you have engaged audience, and these are even serious audience, people that came to learn from you, they are willing to give you money to do influencing for them. I won't even like influencing is like one of the highest way I make money. Number 4 way, which is like the blood money, is through coaching. So when I say coaching, it can come in different way. Live classes, webinars, one-on-one section, courses, templates, sell things, and trust me, people are happy to send. Have you seen that a lot of people now, everybody is trying to do a class and people are paying? We are in the knowledge era where people are happy to pay for knowledge. One of the classes I ever did, I think that class was like 5,000 naira each, and I had over 3,000 people register for that class. Go and do the math. Like in the first few hours, we had more than 1 million in sales. That is not even all. There is a recent program we just did by FinTribe. Like the first night I announced that class, we had over 80 people sign up. That was like more than 2 million in sales, like in less than 3 hours. Why? Because I added a price to early sign up, so people were eager and desperate to like sign up. See, now I'm sharing my stress secret with you, my dear. With this system in place, nothing concern being broke again. Like different income streams will be coming to you. Is it even jobs? In fact, you may not even have to be recruiting, because recruiters, once they have something in your niche, they want to talk to you like with respect. So please, are you able to take up or come on board for us? With respect. Does this work? You already know my story now. Started finance like that was like 3 or 4 years ago. I started talking about finance, and before I'm just sharing, because I was learning. I was trying to share what I am learning to better my finance, but I decided to talk about it online, to build with people, to sort of be an accountability for myself. But before you know it, like play, a lot of people could relate. Before you know it, they started asking me about finance related things. Someone like, Jennifer, what app can I download to save? How can I invest in this? You get me? That was nothing. I was even like, I think I was working in a pharmaceutical company, and I was here talking about finance. And today, look at us, and we are here still sharing that knowledge. So, and I also have a friend. She is in the IT. Who know digital winch? God, I love that woman. I remember, like, is it 2 or 3 years ago when she started? She was taking all different courses on Facebook. Then she'll be telling us the courses she was taking. She registered for this. She's doing this class. Even before she say come and pay for sense, you already see her as an expert. And today she has trained more than 20,000 people. Like, my friend is not your mate. So do you understand? It worked really for her. And if it works for me, work for my friend, and work for a few other people that you may not know, that I already showed this system. All it needs is time and patience. In fact, let me tell you another hack. When you start building, you can even make it faster for yourself. If you have some money, like do sponsored ad to promote your post, pay 1 or 2 influencers, small money to put you out there. People see you on the platform and they can follow you to your own platform. And for those of you that already have a skill, they can monetize. It's already easy for you now. First of all, like this video, please like it if you've done. I know you like what you're hearing. You might feel like, this is nothing, but now I'm making you to think deeply of it. If you already have a skill, why not start today? Start talking about it. In fact, you can even do a reintroduction. This is me. I do this. I'm do this. Going forward, I want to be teaching you this, that. Okay, just every day, ask yourself, how can I let people to begin to see me in this light? It could be through making posts, going live. Okay, with time you begin to grow on any platform you choose. Start talking. Don't be the best kept secret, because people that don't even know as much as you know are cashing out. Yeah, this is exactly what I would do if I needed to create additional income source or for, like you see. But if you feel like this, you need more, no problem. I have another video that I think up to 7 passive income ideas you can learn and start making money from immediately. So I'm going to link it on the description or up here somewhere. Just check the description of that passive income video. Watch it, because you can't be on this channel and not making money. money. If for any reason there is something you want me to make video on any investment, on any service, on any particular passive income idea, let me know. Or you have a question from this video, just let me know. But first of all, I want to hear from you. Do you have a skill you think you can monetize? Just in the comments, say yes, say no. Just let me in the comment if you already have a skill. If you have a skill already, tell us what it is. If you don't have already, just say no. Someone can even suggest something for you. I can also suggest something for you. But as I'm leaving this video now, drop your comments, go and watch that video of 7 passive income ideas. Trust me, you're going to learn a lot from it. Thank you so much for watching Financial Women.